Large quantum of solid waste is generated every day, and for decades, this waste was viewed as an environmental liability. Through the Waste to Wealth mission, India is undergoing a transformative shift towards a circular economy. The goal is not just a garbage free India, but a resource rich India that converts its waste into energy, compost, and valuable materials, unlocking an economic opportunity while securing a sustainable future for its citizens. Govardhan is a vital umbrella initiative of Government of India designed to build a robust ecosystem for setting up compressed biogas plants to drive sustainable economic growth and promote a circular economy. To take forward the Green Growth Agenda initiative of Government of India and to promote circular economy, Engineers India Limited is establishing a press mud feedstock based compressed biogas plant at MIDC Halkarni Industrial Area, Kolhapur, Maharashtra, with CBG production capacity of 5 TPD. By utilizing press mud, a byproduct of the sugar manufacturing process, as the feedstock, the project aims to convert agro-industrial waste into valuable energy. MIDC has already allotted 9.4 acre of land to EIL for establishing the CBG plant. The CBG plant is designed to process 125 TPD of press mud, and the plant shall produce 5 tons per day of compressed biogas. The plant shall also produce fermented organic manure and liquid fermented organic manure. The compressed biogas plant shall consist of feed storage and preparation area, anaerobic digesters for biogas generation, biogas purification for production of CBG, compression and cascade filling, fertilizer generation, form and L-form. Press mud shall be supplied to the plant using trucks, which shall be first weighed and then unloaded to the press mud storage shed. The press mud is fed to the feed preparation tank for preparation of slurry by addition of recycled water and fresh water. The prepared slurry shall be transferred to anaerobic digesters. Anaerobic digestion is the core of the plant, consisting of anaerobic digesters based on continuous stirred tank reactors operated at optimal temperatures to optimize the microbial activity. The degradation of organic matter by anaerobic bacteria in biochemical reactions shall generate biogas in the digesters and shall be stored in the double membrane type biogas holders anchored on top of the digester. Biogas upgradation is a key element of our CBG plant and shall be based on advanced technology for efficiently purifying biogas to over 96% methane content. Biogas generated in the digesters is then routed to desulfurization and dehumidifier for H2S and moisture removal. Biogas after dehumidifier shall be routed to CO2 removal system. The methane content shall be more than 96%, meeting IS 16087 2016 standards at outlet of biogas purification system. Purified biogas after the treatment shall be compressed using high pressure compressor system with the pressure of 250 bar and shall be stored in the cascades of adequate capacity. The CBG produced will be transported via cascades for selling at nearby CNG stations, thus providing an alternate solution to support the energy requirement of the country, being met by natural gas and crude oil. The digested substrate from digesters after digestion shall be pumped to sludge dewatering system. The dewatered sludge shall be then transported to the windrow composting facility to produce compost, that is, fermented organic manure, form. Maximum portion of the centrate generated shall be recycled into the feed preparation system for generating slurry for the digester, and the excess liquid shall be routed to liquid fermented organic manure, L-form storage tank. The form and L-form produced as byproducts from the plant will be sold to nearby fertilizer plants, retail distributors or farmers. The proposed CBG plant shall fulfill majority of its water requirements by recycling clear digested water, and there shall be no wastewater from the proposed CBG plant. The entire CBG plant is controlled by a plant automation system with PLC, programmable logic control. Safety is our utmost priority. Emergency flare is provided inside the plant. The CBG plant shall create a socio-environmental impact by reducing carbon footprint, conserving fossil fuels, and providing a sustainable business opportunity. Project also supports Satat program of MOPNG. The use of organic manure by farmers will enhance soil quality and crop yields, contributing to sustainable agriculture. Also, the project will provide direct and indirect benefits to the farmers, transporters, and local people. Thank you.